having a burger pop-up with these guys. Winner of Time Out Best Burger this year. And we're here on our first R&D session. And we made 4 sauces, chef, right?
Yeah.
We have our version of a cheese pimiento. We have our version of a... This is a...
Maxi Kuya Secret.
Maxi Kuya Secret Sauce. This is the salted egg. Let's assemble. Think Angel's Burger, but 10 times, no, like 100 times better.
Let's do it.
Hindi kulang yung 10 eh. 100 eh na.
So let's try the secret obviously first.
Today I am a student.
Put our burger on the bottom.
I have to say, this is the first time I've ever been in a burger kitchen, ever in my life. And I've always dreamt of this day because I was telling Chef, right after cooking school, I really wanted to open a burger place. And I've always was just observing people making burgers. Now, finally, I'm inside a burger kitchen.
So we're gonna try the channel with the secret, right?
What do you think? With the secret or with the bistic?
This thing would be nice.
Okay.
Let's try with this one.
Listen to the Filipinos
So you know we go people?
and the experts.
Tasting already or we taste after?
We taste after.
Alright.
Si Chef John ay super burger fanatic. Kung napansin nyo, wala siyang ibang cups sinusuot. Kundi, ano yan dyan? Like, pero how many cups? How many cups do you have? Just one? Did you clean that? Marami? Ilan? Dalawa. So, laba-laba lang. Because he never he doesn't even wear a kuya hat. So,
Cheese is a little too sweet and heavy. The chara will help out.
okay, mamaya na yung kwento ni Chef John. Dito muna tayo sa kusina. Focus muna tayo. Huwag tayo masyadong maingay. Baka makapagalitan tayo dito. Baka sabi namin yung atsara. Hindi. Hindi naman.
I think it's fine.
It's fine. Okay. Again, listen to the experts. Kanina sabi namin ganito ganyan. Pero sabi nila, you have to try it with the fries. Iba na yung lasa. Tama naman.
For now? Okay.
Ano pangalan nyo?
Sam.
Ha?
Sam.
Sam. Tagal ka na with Maxi? Ilang years? Taga saan ka?
Isabela po.
Ha? Isabela. Okay.
Chef? Alright. So we're gonna try the cheesy pimento first, okay? No, sorry. The Kuya Maxi burger.
Kuya Maxi.
That's the number one. Okay? Alright. Do you mind if I hand it to you?
Yes, sir.
Cheers. Cheers. Oh, you're finished already.
Even though you got heavy on the sauce, I can't capture.
You need more sauce.
Yeah.
It's good though. It only got a little spicy, that's it.
Yeah.
I think this is nice with the chara. This one.
Yeah.
Imagine it's local patty.
Yeah.
This is the cheesy pimento with your chara.
Yeah. Oh, the bread is really good. No? The bread you guys have. It's like a Hawaiian bread. Iwanan kita para makatry ka. Ha? Kasi kung tingnan nyo siya, naglalaway na siya.
Got a burger.
Oh yeah.
Angels times 10,000.
It's good. Yeah. We call it the pillow burger.
More chara.
Yeah.
Imagine it's local.
Is it a Filipino burger? Sorry tsaka na kayo. Ang boss muna, ha? Ito kasi nakakachamba lang eh. Ganda ng pwesto eh. This is the one you added salted egg. Yes.
Oh, it's chicken skin here.
Yeah.
Big chunk.
That's good. Try more.
That's good.
Just a little more onion.
Yeah. But it's good, huh? Not bad, yeah. Are we doing a round 2? Yeah.
You know?
Let's taste as we go.
This is a very difficult job. I quit. This is the salted egg cheese pimiento burger. Again, the Filipino in us and in a burger. So is this the most burger you've eaten, John, in your life? Oh yeah.
Morning.
I have a comment.
Yeah.
We added too much salted egg.
But there's so much?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, chef, now what do you think? Or you think it's
It has
okay?
the sauce and the chunks.
Maybe no need. Maybe the chunks lessen.
Okay.
Let's just put this, not this anymore.
Okay.
It's nice. It's nice, but it's salty.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ay, thank you, sir.
Itlog maalat.
Thank you, Jack.
Guys, remember yung Maxi Burger? Yung kinainan namin ni Chef John last time. It's actually one of the best burger places or best restaurant to have a good burger. So today is our first R&D. John, Chef, so ano nga to ulit?
Ito yung pimento cheese, sir. Na may Coca-Cola.
So kumbaga yung pimiento sa atin and then nilagyan natin ng konting itlog na maalat. Tapos nung kinain mo, ano yung pumasok sa isip mo?
Unang patis. Magical, sir. Sakto.
Oo.
And
Pero as a burger,
as a burger, para siyang nasa street food ka, pero in a more like premium na parang
parang
high-end level.
pero playful, 'di ba? Parang
Parang nga parang nasa street na
Naglalaro.
naglalaro, parang ganun ba?
pero
Parang free, yung parang
kalidad.
oo. Yun yung difference eh. Nasa street pero parang street na premium type.
Oh, guys, huwag niyo na tanungin kung anong nilagay namin kasi yun na yung pinaghirapan namin eh. Di naman lahat pwede natin ikwento, 'di ba?
I love the vinaigrette, the taste for the
From the achara.
achara.
So it's a true Filipino burger. Oh, because you taste familiarity from the achara.
Achara and combined with with
Cheese.
our patty and cheese, it combines all together.
And their
So
bread.
it booms.
Booms! Guys, yung bread nila sobrang sarap rin. It's so pillowy. Okay. And then we have one more burger.
This is the beef stick burger. Beef stick sauce burger.
Hinalo natin sa sauce nyo.
Yes, that's the sauce.
So, half and half siya.
Yes.
So, it's the Kuya and Maxi Burger. Ano naman para sa'yo yung lasa?
It tastes like up level.
Up level,
Yeah, up
okay.
level siya.
So, this is like pang lalaki na pang daddy.
Yeah, yeah.
Na? Pang mga boys.
Boys.
Yung isa, pang bata. So, ito yung...
Salted egg and cheese.
Okay. Ito yung burger na it's either you love it
One price.
or you hate it. Or, hindi na, okay, let me rephrase it. It's either you love it or you don't.
Sinasabi ni Chef nga, siya ba? Hindi siya common,
Mm.
pero familiar yung plaza.
Mm. Pero, may dating siya.
May dating siya. Kumbaga
May
yung class siya, class.
May kurot, chef.
Para siyang statement burger. Na parang, ito kami.
Ah,
Na? Pero, yung sa iba, parang, ito kami, para sa mga bata. Sigurado magustuhan nila. Yung isa naman, beef steak na may sauce nyo. Kasi dahil dalawa, may laban na magustuhan ng ibang lahi. Pero sigurado magustuhan ng lahi natin.
of course, yeah.
Ito, dito natin masubukan mga taga Dubai kung talagang gusto nila tayo.
Kami ito yung mas Filipino na side. Sa akin. Salted egg, yung pimiento. May pa doon.
So,
Salted egg.
Ikaw, chef, sa mga lokal, papatikin mo ba sa kanila to or doon muna tayo sa cheese or sa kuya
Kuya Maxi Burger. Sa akin, gusto ko dito na gulatin na natin. Gusto ko na gulatin, chef eh. Pero because, Fraggles, para ka sa akin, parang, meron siyang statement talaga na mas iba siya sa dalawa.
Ako excited ako dito. At saka, nakakaiba siya.
Yes, kaiba siya.
Chef,
Wala pa yata.
Chef, tanong ko, sa isang dekada mo na nagtatrabaho sa burger, may natikman ka ng ganito?
Wala pa nga. Honestly, ngayon ko lang naisip to. What if
Yeah.
Kaya nga, try na natin to. It's bago. And wala pang nakita ng ganito eh. Kaya excited rin ako eh. And then gusto ko rin makita yung reaction ng ibang lahi. Saka yung mga kabayan din. Sige.
Kita-kita tayo dito. Ilagay ko lang yung address sa description or sa gawa ko ng caption. Bye. Done.